Guys, I'm giving you this top shot right here on top of the hill, on top of the mountain. Another mountain close to the city center of Riyadh that is actually enjoying and of course cool to climb. This is in Waslah Park. And once you get to the top of the mountain, this is now how beautiful the place that you will see. You will enjoy the same thing I'm enjoying right now if you do the same thing that I did very early this morning. You know what I did? Of course, climbing to the top of the hill and doing the shot. Now this car is rolling down the road to Waslah Park from Upper Dirab area, and that one is climbing to Upper Dirab area also. Now let me do this panning shot, panning up the camera and then panning it to the left side. Now on top of the hill, you see, if you are watching on a wide screen, you will see there are trailer trucks moving so slow because not far from this area there is a security checkpoint going to the city center of Riyadh. So guys, join me because I'm giving you beautiful shots to the Waslah Park during sunrise time or right after the sunrise. For you to enjoy and see the beautiful landscape of the place, let me give you the shot. Again, you see there are 3 cars rolling down to Waslah Park from Upper Dirab area. And the valley that you see down the hill is a public park, and this is in between the Mount Uraida and of course the Waslah area. And the hilltop on the other side that you see is the Mount Uraida viewing point, and also located there is the hidden spring of Mount Uraida. Now after the last curve, you will see now this one. This is the Waslah Park main valley and main park. Again, from here on top of the hill, let me give you the shot to the Waslah village. Now what do we have in Waslah village are istiraas or mini resort. There are many resorts here which are open to the public for rental. Just in case you want to do the occasion for your special celebration away from the hustle bustle of the city, now you can come and find the istiraa that you want to rent, and of course hold your very special occasion and enjoy the place. Now I'm doing this panning shot again. Again, this is the Waslah Park, and this is the major curb area in Waslah. This is now part of Laha Valley. You see there are cars running on the road, and the beautiful landscape of the mountains plus the Golden Desert mountains are all what you can see from this point on top of the hill, on top of the mountain that I am standing. Now this is the slope going to the viewing point of Waslah Park. If you remember my video with other foreigners, it was in this area. Now here is my pañero. He is following me. He wants to be on top of the hill where I'm standing also. So guys, this is how easy coming here or climbing here to the top of the hill. Now I climbed to the higher point of the mountaintop, and again this place I'm showing you is the main park of Waslah Park. And finally the sun has shown up, and then I can now see it on top of the mountain. The mountain to the opposite side, by the way, is the Waslah Park viewing point. And next to that is the Al Uraida viewing point. Alright, let's continue panning the camera. And you see the last curve of Al Waslah Road from the Upper Dirab area. And there you see also my panyero. He is trying to catch me here on top of the mountain. Now from here at the higher point of the Al Waslah Mountaintop, let me give you the shot. Again, this road is from the Upper Dirab area coming here to Al Waslah Park and Laha Valley. And by the way, if you are asking about the direction, how will you come to this place? The direction is on your way to the Lower Dirab area or to the red sand. After the security checkpoint, there is a U-turn slot. The only U-turn slot that you will see, you need to enter that U-turn slot and of course take the left turn. And at the U-turn slot, that is also the place where the entrance of this road coming here to Al Waslah is located. You have to enter that road and you will now find yourself rolling down to Al Waslah Park. Guys, I'm giving you now this 360-degree shot for you to see how the place looks like during sunrise time, right after the sunrise. And once again, this is the Al Waslah Park, the mountaintop of Al Waslah and Mount Uraida. And I'm doing this shot right after the sunrise, right here on top of the Al Waslah mountain. You come here and you will enjoy the beautiful and the scenic sights I am looking at right now. The scenic sights I'm bringing you.